Welcome back to all. Then today give the another solve 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 by z is equal to 4, 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z is equal to 1, 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20. As here variables are denominators. So we first take u is equal to, in this method take u is equal to 1 by x, v is equal to 1 by y, c w is equal to 1 by z. Then the system of equation become 2u plus 3v plus 10w is equal to 4. Second become 4u plus minus 6v plus 5w is equal to 1. 6u minus plus 9v minus 20w is equal to 2. So A is a coefficient of u. A is equal to 2, 3, 10 and 4 minus 6, 5 and 6, 9 minus 20. So variables x is equal to 1 by x, 1 by y or u, v, w. U, v, w. B is equal to right hand side 4, 1, 2. Similarly, we do the x is equal to A inverse into B, that is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adj into B. Find the adjoint of A11, delete the row and a column containing this way. We follow A11 cofactor of the element 2 is equal to 120 minus 45, 75. A12 is equal to negative M12 is equal to, delete first row and the second column, 4, 5 minus 4, 5, 6 minus 20 is equal to minus 80, minus 30, minus 50, minus 50. A13 is equal to positive, delete the row and column containing 36, 9 into 4 36 plus 6 into 6 36, 72. So going on this way, final we get x is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. Therefore 1 by x is equal to u, v, w is equal to, as like we go, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. Therefore 1 by x is equal to, u is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2, which implies x is equal to 2. V is equal to 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3, which implies y is equal to 3. Similarly, w is equal to 1 by 5 and 1 by z is equal to 1 by 5, which implies z is equal to 5. Going on, method is find the cofactor of the 9 elements, substitute and simplify. Final we get x is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 5, u, v, w. Then u is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2, which implies x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, W is equal to 1 by 5 and Z is equal to this. This is the method. Method is previous, but final letter UVW given, convert U in 1 by X, then final value X will be given. Another question 4. If A is equal to 3, 2, 1, 4 minus 1, 2, 7, 3 minus 3. Find A inverse and hence solve. Solve the equations. 3x plus 4y plus 7z is equal to 14 and 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 4 and x plus 2y plus 3z minus 3z is equal to 0. 3x 4y plus 7z. Second 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 4 and 1x plus 2y minus 3y is equal to 0. This is the equation. Here first find A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint. Then using that A inverse, find solve the system of linear equation given. Here previous question A given, we found A inverse. Row wise is given, but here A inverse transpose. A is given, the linear coefficient of x, y, z, coefficient variables are interchanging the rows and column. Column base ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് 3, 4, 7 coefficient. On that way, we take a method is x is equal to A inverse transpose B. Here row base, correct way we use x is equal to A inverse into B, but interchanging way, here interchanging way, not directly, interchanging way, x is equal to A inverse transpose into B. Here this problem, column base coefficients are given, column base, we use the formula A inverse transpose is equal to A inverse transpose into B. So far A11 cofactor A11 is equal to plus 1 into M11 is equal to determinant, delete the row and first column, minus 1, 2, 3 minus 3. Then we get a 3 minus 6 minus 3. A cofactor 1, 2 is equal to minus, delete the row and column containing first row and second column. Then we get a determinant 4, 2, 7 minus 3, that is equal to minus into minus 12, 4 into minus 3 minus 14, 26 plus 26. Again A cofactor 1, 3 is equal to delete the row and second first row and 12 and 4 minus 1 7 3 12 minus into minus plus 7 is equal to 90. A21 is equal to negative into M21. Negative, delete the row and column containing second row. 2 1 first column 3 minus 3 is equal to minus of minus 6 minus 3 is equal to minus 9 plus 9. A2 positive. Delete the second row and the third column positive 3 1 and 7 minus 3. Answer is minus 9 minus 7 minus 16. A2 3 negative into delete the row and a column containing second row and a third column 3 2 7 3. So answer is minus 9 minus 14. Minus 14 minus 3 into 3 9 minus 14 minus 5 is equal to plus 5. Minus of minus 5 plus 5. A31 positive M31. Delete the row and a column, third row and a first column 2 1 minus 1 2. See 4 minus of minus plus 1 5. A32 negative into delete the delete the row and a column containing plus 3, then third row and the second column 3 1 4 2. Then we get minus 6 minus 4 minus 2. A3 3 is equal to positive into determined 3 2 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 3 minus 8 minus 11. Then determinant of A is equal to A11 3 into A11 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into A12 we get a 26 plus 1 into minus 3 26 19. Then simplified answer minus 9 52 plus 19. 19 minus 9 10 62 is the determinant of A. Adjoint of A is equal to cofactor transpose of the cofactor matrix A11 minus 3 A12 26 down reverse order 19 A21 9 A22 minus 16 A23 5 A31 5 A32 minus 2 and A33 minus 11. X A inverse X is equal to A inverse is equal to 1 by 62 into cofactor matrix minus 3 9 5 26 minus 16 minus 12 19 5 minus 11. This is the A inverse. First find the A inverse. Using this x is equal to here the coefficient of variables in the column base, not a row base. Then x is equal to A inverse transpose into B, that is equal to 1 by 62 into transpose of the A inverse. Then we write a minus 3 9 minus 3 9 5 against 26 minus 16 minus 12 19 5 minus 11. into B. Right hand side matrix B is equal to 14 and 4 and 0. Then multiply 1 by 62 into multiplication minus 3 into 14 minus 42, 26 into 4, 104, 19 into 0. Then 9 into 116 minus 16 into 4, 64, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 14, 70, minus 12 into 4, minus 12 into 4, sorry, this is 2. Minus 2 into 4 minus 8, 11 into minus 11 into 0, 0. Then answer is equal to 1 by 62 into 104 minus 42, 62. Here minus 64, then we get 62. Minus 16 into 4 minus 64, 62. Dividing by 2, x is equal to 62 by 62, 1, 1, 1, which implies x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. This is important. Not coefficients of variables are in the interchanging form. Then we use solving the equation x is equal to row base A inverse into B. But in the column base, we use A inverse transpose. Then, okay. This is the method. Remember, the coefficient of variables are in the reverse order, not row base, correct A inverse into B. But the coefficients are given in the column base, we use x is equal to A inverse of transpose. So, if A is a square matrix, a square matrix of order 3 with A is a square matrix order 3 and determinant of A is equal to 5. Right, find determinant of adjoint of A. A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant of A is equal to 5. Find determinant of adjoint. We have the first class I give, the previous class I said that some result. Determinant of result is what? Adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised to order minus 1. So, here n is equal to order 3. Therefore, determinant of adj is equal to formula determinant of A raised to n minus 1, 3 minus 1. Determinant of given 5 raised to 2 is equal to 25. Another question, if A is a square matrix of order, is a square matrix of order 3. A is a square matrix, not order, square matrix A is a square matrix such that determinant of A is equal to 6. Find determinant of A into A transpose. So important. A is a square matrix such that determinant of A given, find the determinant of A into A transpose. We studied by theorem determinant of product of matrix is equal to square matrix is equal to product of their respective determinant. So determinant of A transpose, A into A transpose is equal to determinant of A into determinant of A transpose. Determinant of A value is equal to 5 into determinant of A transpose. We know that determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. In the case of a square matrix, determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. So substitute 6 into A transpose is equal to determinant of A transpose is equal to 6. 6 into 6, 36. Another question 3. If for any square matrix A of order 2 by 2, A into adj is equal to matrix 8 0 0 8. Find determinant of A. Remember the question, A is a square matrix of order 2. Given a matrix A into adjoint of A is equal to find determinant of first we find determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of 8 0 0 8 is equal to 8 into 8 64 minus 0 64. Another way 64 is the given. Find the determinant of A. Another formula we used A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised to n. That is A determinant of A into adjoint 64. 64 is equal to determinant of A raised to n. N is equal to order 2. Therefore, determinant of A is equal to square root of 64 is equal to plus or minus 8. This is the answer to find this method. Another question, question number 4. Let A be a square matrix of order, A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Write the value of determinant of 2A, where determinant of A is equal to 4. So given A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3, that means n is equal to 3 and determinant of A is equal to 4. Find determinant of, we know the formula, determinant of constant k into matrix is equal to k raised to n into determinant of n. Remember this formula, determinant of k into a is equal to k raised to n into determinant of n. Here k is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Therefore, determinant of 2 into a is equal to 2 raised to n into determinant of a. 2 raised to 3, determinant of a given 4. 2 raised to 3, 8. 8 into 4, answer is 32. This is. Again, question number 5. If A is equal to matrix Aij, square matrix order 2 by 2, such that determinant of A is equal to minus 15, find element A11 into cofactor capital element A21 into cofactor A21 plus A22 into cofactor A capital A22, or that is here we use this. This is the value of expansion. We know that the determinant of A is equal to delta is equal to second row A21 into A22, here plus A22 into A22. Here answer is determinant of A is equal to 15. Then this value is same as this. Question number 6. If A is equal to 0, 3, 2 minus 5 and K A is equal to, K is a constant, K is equal to matrix 0, 4 A minus 8, 5 B. Find unknown values K and A. So given A is a given, K is a constant, K is equal to 0, 4 A minus 8. First we find K. K is equal to 0, K into 0, 0, 3 into K, K into 2, 2K and minus 5K. That is equal to 0, 4A minus 8, 5B. Compare 0 is equal to 0, 3K is equal to, compare 2K is equal to minus 8. This is equal. First, K is equal to minus 8 by 2 minus 4. Then compare next this. 3K is equal to 4A. 3 into K value minus 4 is equal to 4A. Minus 12 is equal to 4A. 4A. Then 4 cancelled. A is equal to minus 3. This is the stop here.